I found out that one of my bamboo plants was hanging under my neighbor's power line. That's dangerous. So I'm gonna need to cut it. This saw here is a reciprocating saw and it's probably the best tool for cutting bamboo. But I'm going to use this saw that I have now. Now let's get to work. Cleanup time. Now that I cut the bamboo plant, I can use the branches to grow new bamboo plant. And to do that, I purchased this new lopper that makes it really easy for me to cut the branches. Once I cut a branch, I soak it in water for about a week before I plant it. This one here has been in water for more than 3 weeks, and as you can see, the roots are coming out and it's a good time to plant it. It's even growing a new branch. I added this one here to a new container and it's also growing. This is one of the first one I planted, and I didn't leave it in the water for too long. It was there for a few days and it's growing as well. I'll be making future videos to show you guys the progress of this plant. Please like and subscribe to receive future updates.